Hello everyone, welcome to Dash of Spices. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave us a comment. Today I'm going to show you how I made this baked sweet potatoes. This is a very delicious, quick and easy, healthy recipe brought to you by Dash of Spices. Today's ingredients are 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes. These are peeled and sliced into 1/3 inch. You can make this thicker, it's really up to you. Rinse and pat dry. Also, you will need 1 cup coconut milk and 1/4 cup brown sugar. Now pour 1 cup of the canned coconut milk on top of the sweet potatoes. Use half of that brown sugar. Add half of that brown sugar on top of the sweet potatoes. Now you're going to need a ground cinnamon. I just add a little pinch of the ground cinnamon, but if you like cinnamon, you could add more. It's really up to you. Now mix everything thoroughly and gently. Mix until all ingredients are well combined. Now add half of whatever left on that brown sugar and continue mixing. Toss everything until all ingredients are well combined. Also, you're gonna let this set for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let that ingredients sink in. Now using a large baking pan, use a non-stick spray so your potato won't stick on the pan. Make sure your oven is already preheated, about 350 degrees. Now place all the potatoes on the baking pan. You could crowd the baking pan. The potatoes could be right next to each other, they won't stick because of the coconut milk. Just use every inch of that space. I'm also going to include a list of ingredients on the description box. Now once that's done, you are going to sprinkle this with the brown sugar. Whatever left on that brown sugar, use everything and just sprinkle it on top of the sweet potatoes. Now you're going to bake this on a 250 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until the outside of the sweet potatoes are golden brown, just like this. The toppings are optional, but I'm using a Cool Whip. Also, I have a toasted shredded coconut. But you could eat this sweet potato by itself, but I like to always put toppings on my dessert. Who doesn't? Sprinkle those toasted shredded coconut, makes it more taste better. It just add up more flavor. I hope you liked this video. We hope this inspired you to make a baked sweet potatoes. This is a very quick and easy recipe. Your kids, your family are going to love this. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and please like this video. Thanks for watching everyone. Have a good one.